stick around to see how we made these easy, gorgeous sun catchers right in time for 4th of July. And we ended up getting 2 extra crafts in the process. So you guys are in for a treat. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey everybody, it is Cheryl, the activity author, here to bring you another awesome video. We are just off of our Father's Day high. Y'all, we had a great Father's Day. I loved all the love and support that you guys gave us on the videos. Dad loved his crafts as well. He was wearing them proudly, y'all. So thank you for watching the videos, leaving comments. You guys are awesome and sweet, and I hope y'all had an awesome Father's Day as well. So real quick, I did want to shout out Michaela S. Ben from Instagram, who tagged me into this adorable reel that she did with her son Mason and his father. They looked at my last Father's Day video and they did crafts on Father's Day and they turned out so beautiful. Look at that. Awesome job. So guys, always tag me, please. I want to see and celebrate your child and your artwork. So tag me. My information is right there from Instagram, and I also have all my other information in the description box below. All right, so to get started, just use about 1 tablespoon of water in a small little cup. That's all you need, and some droppers. I got mine from a medicine bottle. You're gonna need some coffee filters and food coloring, 4th of July colors. So I use red and blue, and I use about 5 to 6 drops of coloring. If you want more pigments, you can add more colors, but I found out 5 to 6 drops worked fine for me. Once it dried, it still had a nice, bright, vibrant color. So go ahead and take a baking sheet, put a piece of wax paper on it. That's what we're using. And then we got the coffee filters on there and we are dropping the colors on there. Now we're going to do some solid colors and we're going to also do tie-dye, so you guys can choose whichever one you like best. Quick tip, try to encourage your child to color the entire thing, but even if they have white spots, it still turns out really nice. So have a child that's under 3, like a 2 or a 1-year-old, you can do this for them as well. If they can't do the dropper method, try to take the colors, put it on the wax paper, and then just have them place the coffee filter onto the colors. So I'm doing that with my 1-year-old. She's going to be 2 next month, and she handled it pretty well. At first I had to take her hands and kind of guide her, and she's like, oh, this is kind of fun, and I'm like, yay, good job, baby. So see how hers is kind of tie-dye, because I just basically put the colors on the wax paper and then she's dropping the filter. It still works the same. So that's a modification. So even 2-year-olds and soon to be 2-year-olds like my daughter can do this. She's been dying to be a part of our arts and crafts club. She's been always trying to stick her little hands and stuff. So now here you go. You got your chance, baby. I'll show y'all how hers turned out in a second so you can see how it looks. And now my 3-year-old Kimmy is like, let me try it too. So, you know, you guys can do it with your 3-year-old. These are just 2 different ways you can color your coffee filters. So when you finish, just let them dry. This is how it turned out. These are Kimberly's, the solid color ones, and these were Malia's. So see how they turned out? They both turned out super cute. This one is actually Malia's, I'm sorry. The other ones were Kimberly's because she put too much color. So it depends on the look you want, but it's always so fun to see how they turn out. Now what I'm doing now is I'm tracing a die cut, because you know I'm a teacher, so I end up having these die cuts from my bulletin board. But guys, go on the internet, print out a star, cut it out, there you go. Trace that star, cut it out. I ended up tracing the first one, but I realized I didn't need to. I just kind of stuck it there with some tape and I'm cutting around it, and I got my stars. Almost done. One more step, guys. So don't throw away the scrap paper, because remember I told y'all we have 2 more crafts. That's what we're going to use that for. So put that aside for a second, and now you want to hole punch your stars if you want to put them on a string. If you don't have a hole punch and you don't want to use that, then tape it on your window or your door with windows. I'm just showing y'all a different way. I just decided to do a banner this time as well, so you guys are going to see how cute that turns out. Y'all, why was I hole punching them one at a time? I'm finna be here all night doing that. Don't do that. These are so thin, you can take a huge stack, hole punch them all at once. You know, work smart, not hard, like my mom always say. Anyway, so, oh, last thing. When you put them on the yarn, they're so light they don't even move. So you don't have to even tape them on there. You can just place them on the string, hang it up, you're done. Now this is the second way for those who don't have a hole punch. Just stick some tape on the back of that thing and stick it on the window, you're done. And this is how it turned out. See, no tape, just stuck the string through the hole and it stays. And it's beautiful in the morning. Look at it glowing. Oh, I love SunCatchers so much, guys. If you're a lazy craft person, you should do SunCatchers because they're so easy. All right, so let me show you how to have no material left behind. Y'all like that? So take some cardboard and some contact paper, hot glue, and a Sharpie, and the scrap paper left from your SunCatchers. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it up into smaller pieces, and I'm going to actually make a SunCatcher window. So I think you might have seen me do this before in my Black History craft where I did that stained window craft. It's the same idea. I took the flap off of the Amazon box that I had, and I'm making a frame using that. And then all I'm gonna do is take my contact paper and I'm going to put it on top of that. Now put your contact paper side that you're going to have in the house, so the side that everybody's going to see while they're in your house, because I ended up putting the contact paper on the back with the numbers on the flap. I didn't like that, so you'll see how I did it. And then I ended up taking the contact paper off and putting it on the other side, so that, see how the numbers are showing? I didn't like that because when I hung it up, I didn't want those numbers on the frame. That looks tacky. So I ended up taking it and switching it so it's on the solid side, this side. You see what I'm saying? You'll see in a minute. I'll point that out. But anyway, all you're gonna have your child do is just take that scrap paper, put it all over the contact paper. Super simple. And you can even ball it up and make a cool design that way as well. So see here, I ended up taking the contact paper and putting it on the other side. So therefore, the side that is going to be glowing and showing in the house is going to be this side. This is what I wanted it to look like. So the number side, that's on the outside, so people on the outside can see that, but people on the inside see this, and this is what you want. All right, hope that made sense, guys, but look how cute this is. Let me give y'all one more before I go. So I had more of that scrap paper left, so I ended up doing a flag. So what you just need is glue for this and a white piece of paper or construction paper, whatever you have lying around, and then just draw some lines. I know these are not accurate to the flag. I get it. I'm just kind of demonstrating for y'all, okay? But yeah, you're gonna do, some lines, trace something, use a nice straight edge, and then you're gonna have your child glue on in a mosaic style, making the flag, just like that. You see, guys, we did all of this from just dyeing some coffee filters, so possibilities are endless. Before I go, it is time for the creative of the day, and that goes to my babies at Bee Balm Book Club. Y'all, make sure y'all follow them on Instagram. They have some good content, great books for beautiful brown babies. Y'all, they did the pineapple craft that I did a couple videos ago, and look at how cute theirs turned out. See, I love when y'all put y'all own spin on it. And look at Dad right there, just enjoying the process along with them. See, this is why I do what I do, guys. So shout outs to you guys. Please continue to tag me on all of your social medias. There's my social medias. So y'all follow me, tag me. I want to shout you guys out. And then go ahead and click on another video, because I know y'all want to see more from me and my wonderful activities. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.